very good afternoon. Hello, a very good afternoon everyone. Welcome to Infinity Learn by Sri Chaitanya. Hope you all are doing fine. So this is Dr. Priyanka in front of you, and once again we have a wonderful session where we are going to discuss full syllabus questions of grade 11th and 12th for NEET 2025. Hello Sheetal, good afternoon everyone. जल्दी से ज्वाइन कर लो सभी, बहुत ही जल्दी हम लोग हमारा सेशन स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं एंड दिस इज गोइंग टू बी एन इम्पॉर्टेंट सेशन अगेन बिकॉज सारे इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस सारे ही चैप्टर से जूलॉजी के हम लोग कवर करने वाले हैं. तो यहाँ पर जहाँ पर भी आप मिस्टेक कर रहे हो, मेक श्योर यू नोट डाउन योर मिस्टेक एंड लर्न फ्रॉम दोज मिस्टेक्स. ओके, सो बहुत ही इंफॉर्मेटिव सेशन होने वाला है. हेलो अर्चित, अभिषेक, मदीना, गुड आफ्टरनून, हाउ आर यू? सो आई होप यू गाइज हैव प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर दिस. बहुत टाइम से हम लोग फुल सिलेबस क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. एवरी टाइम आई एम ब्रिंगिंग न्यू क्वेश्चंस फॉर यू and still you guys are making mistakes, so make sure that you learn from these mistakes. Definitely your marks will improve in NEET. So if you are all ready, we can start the session. Okay, now when we talk about our entire syllabus of zoology of 11th and 12th, like I always tell you that focus more on the chapters of grade 11th, but remember that more number of questions will be asked from the chapters of grade 12th. So biotechnology, principles and processes and applications of biotechnology, ये जो सारे chapters हैं together with human reproduction, so expect more number of questions from these chapters, right? So today I have bought questions from almost all the chapters. Okay, be ready. Are you excited? Shall we start? Yes, definitely we are going to start now. And let's see what is the first question on your screen. Remember, for every question you guys will be getting 30 seconds. So 30 seconds में आपको जो है ये question solve करना है, right? So try this one. And please don't forget to subscribe our channel. जिस बच्चों ने subscribe नहीं किया है, make sure you are subscribing it, right? So 30 seconds, like I told you, you will be getting to mark the correct answer and your time starts now. चलिए बताइए क्या होगा करेक्ट आंसर. गो थ्रू द क्वेश्चन केयरफुली. वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन यू गाइज विल गेट. And please don't forget to like the session and share the session with your friends. Okay. So some are saying D, some are saying B. तो बहुत confusion है. चलिए इस confusion को दूर करते हैं. We have B and D as the answers. So see, question is mature erythrocyte obtain their energy from. If you recall RBCs, जब हम RBC की बात करते हैं बच्चों, तो RBC में माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया नहीं होता है. They don't have mitochondria. Okay, they don't have mitochondria. इसका मतलब है कि किस तरह का रेस्पिरेशन होगा. रेस्पिरेशन होगा साइटोप्लाज्म में. दैट विल बी ग्लाइकोलिसिस एंड एनारोबिक रेस्पिरेशन विल बी देयर, राइट? सो आंसर विल बी बाय ग्लाइकोलिसिस. ओके, दैट विल टेक प्लेस इन द साइटोप्लाज्म ऑफ RBC. ओके, remember that cell bound organelles are membrane bound organelles are not there in RBCs. okay, तो जो भी respiration होगा that will be through glycolysis in the cytoplasm and it is a type of anaerobic respiration. So correct answer will be D and not B. Okay, so correct answer for this question is D. Let's move on to our next question. Very good. जिसने भी correct जवाब दिया है +4 कर लो और जिसने गलत जवाब दिया है -1 कर लो जल्दी से. So this is the second question and your time starts now. So try this second question. Okay, Muhammad Ashik is saying A. Then Madina also A. So it is a question from human reproduction. Yes, थोड़ा सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन है बट यहाँ पर भी बहुत बार बच्चे मिस्टेक कर देते हैं. The secretion of gonadotropin increases gradually during. So answer is follicular phase. Why it is follicular phase? Let me tell you. If suppose this is the graph of the menstrual cycle, we know that the first phase is the menstrual phase, right? Then at around 14th day will be the day of ovulation, and this phase after the menstrual phase and till the ovulatory phase will be the follicular phase, and after that till 20th phase this luteal phase is also termed as secretory phase. Now when we talk about the follicular phase, remember the levels of LH and FSH gradually increases and increases a lot, okay, and increases a lot at the time of ovulation. Okay, so for ovulation it is important that there is LH surge, that means increase in the level of LH. There should be increase in the level of FSH as well, and we also know that estrogen का बढ़ना भी ज़रूरी है when we talk about ovulation. Okay, so FSH and LH level you can see is increasing at the time of follicular phase, so that's why correct answer should be A. Very good, keep it up, very nice. Yes, I am doing fine everyone. Now let's move on to our next question and your time starts now. ये वाला question अब try करो और मुझे answer बताओ. Okay, let's see. Go through the question everyone. Okay, so remember they are asking about incorrect statement, right? And this is incorrect statement related to the formed elements. Now what are formed elements in our blood? Formed elements are the blood cells, right? So they are talking about the incorrect statement about the formed element which are the least. सबसे कम जो formed element है blood में उसके बारे में क्या incorrect लिखा हुआ है. So we know that the maximum will be RBC. So number of RBCs in the blood will be maximum. Okay, then comes platelets and then comes WBCs which is the least 6000 to 8000, right? और उसमें से भी लीस्ट कौन सा है वो आपको पता करना है और फिर आंसर करना है, राइट? सो यू हैव ऑप्शंस लाइक दे secrete plasma albumin. So we know that plasma albumin is secreted by liver, right? So this could not be the function of any WBCs, right? They are involved in inflammation, this is right. Okay, they are non-phagocytic, this is right, and they are granulocyte, this is right. So when we talk about granulocyte तो तीन तरह के होते हैं, isn't it? Granulocyte कितने तरह के होते हैं? तीन तरह के. So granulocytes can be neutrophils, eosinophils, and basophils, right? And basophils are the least. अगर आपसे पूछा जाए कौन सा सबसे least amount में होता है, then basophils will be least. Hello Vrishti, good afternoon. So here everything will be related to basophils. So basophils are not producing albumin. They are involved in inflammation. They are non-phagocytic and they are granulocyte. So all these three are correct. And this one is incorrect. So correct answer is A. Easy? Okay. Next question for you and your time starts now. So try this one. Try this question. Okay. Identify again the incorrect statement from the following? Spermatozoa get nourishment from Sertoli cells. So this is right. Leydig cells are found within the seminiferous tubule. No. Leydig cells are also termed as interstitial cells of Leydig, and they are present outside the seminiferous tubule. So this is wrong. Secondary oocyte complete meiosis II after sperm entry. Correct. And human female are spontaneous ovulator. So this is also correct. There are certain animals who are reflex ovulators, but we are spontaneous ovulators. Okay. So correct answer is B here. Okay. Next question, try this, very good question. I want each one of you to answer me. Select the correct path of spermatozoan during fertilization. So spermatozoa or sperm will be entering the ova from outside. So the outermost layer should be the elongated cellular layer which we call as corona radiata. So सबसे पहले आना चाहिए corona radiata, तो B तो नहीं होगा. Corona radiata के पहले आता है zona pellucida. So the sperm will enter through corona radiata layer, will enter the zona pellucida, then it will get the perivitelline space और उसके बाद मिलेगा the vitelline membrane और उसके अंदर होगा ooplasm of ova. Right? Ova से better हम इसको secondary oocyte बोल सकते हैं. Right? We know that secondary oocyte is released at the time of ovulation. So let's see corona radiata. Okay. Then zona pellucida, then perivitelline space, then oolemma, and then ooplasm. Absolutely. So correct answer should be C, isn't it? Correct answer यहाँ पर क्या होना चाहिए? C होना चाहिए. Okay. So it is C. Next question. Try this one and your time starts now. इस question को solve करके देखो. This is from reproductive health chapter. Which of the following does not? So ये जो सारे incorrect है, correct है, does not है, ये सारे keyword है. So whenever you read a particular question, make sure you mark these type of words. Okay, so that will make your silly mistakes less. बहुत बार हम यहाँ पर गड़बड़ कर देते हैं, तो वो ध्यान में रखना है हमें. Okay. So now let's see what they are asking. They are asking which of the following does not require in vitro fertilization. So what is in vitro fertilization? Fertilization outside body. Okay. So when we talk about ZIFT, ZIFT क्या है? Zygote. Intrafallopian transfer. So zygote we are introducing in the fallopian tube. That means fertilization should be outside the body. Then intracytoplasmic sperm injection. So intracytoplasmic sperm injection भी अगर हम sperm को inject कर रहे हैं into the cytoplasm of the egg, तो वो भी हम कहाँ करेंगे? In the lab, outside body. Then comes gift, gamete intrafallopian transfer. So gamete हम कहाँ introduce करें? In the fallopian tube. That means fertilization will be inside the fallopian tube. So this is in vivo fertilization. Okay. So this will be our answer. इसमें in vitro fertilization नहीं होगा. Then what is ET? It is embryo transfer. Embryo transfer अगर हम कर रहे हैं, definitely there will be fertilization outside the body. We are making the embryo and then transferring it, right? So this is also in vitro fertilization. Okay. Now what is ICSI? ICSI is intracytoplasmic sperm injection. So with the help of nanotechnology, we can inject sperm directly into the cytoplasm of the egg. But this will be done only in the lab. This cannot be done naturally inside the body. तो ये भी किस तरह का fertilization कहलाएगा? In vitro ही. Okay, so this is in vitro, this is in vitro, this is in vitro. But gift is in vivo fertilization. Got it now? B समझ में आया? Yes, so it is C. Yes, Farooq, I hope now this is clear. Now let's move on to our next question. And your time starts now. Try this from Chemical Coordination and Integration chapter. So try this one, everyone. Thyroxine again does not promote. Thyroxine is name of T4, tetraiodothyronine, right? So वो क्या करता है? Development of CNS. Yes, it plays a very important role in the development of CNS. Maintenance of water and electrolyte balance. So yes, it is involved in maintenance of water and electrolyte balance. Anabolism of protein, yes, but यहाँ पर लिखा है low heart rate, no. Thyroxine increases heart rate. Write it down if you had any confusion. So correct answer here should be D. Correct answer is D. Okay. Next question. Try this and your timer have also started. Lot of confusion D and A. D और A में confusion है. चलिए सारे confusion हम आपका दूर करते हैं. A person passes much urine and drinks much water with normal blood glucose level. This is the key word here. So when a person is urinating a lot, it is termed as polyuria. And when a person is drinking a lot of water and is having a lot of thirst, right? So this is termed as polydipsia. Polyuria, polydipsia. ये कब होगा? जब ग्लूकोज लेवल भी नॉर्मल है in case of diabetes insipidus. Okay, so it is diabetes insipidus. And this diabetes insipidus has nothing to do with diabetes mellitus or insulin level. क्यों होता है diabetes insipidus? Who will tell me? This diabetes insipidus has nothing to do with insulin. It is because of decrease in the ADH level. Vasopressin is ADH. Antidiuretic hormone. So correct answer, that's why will be D. Yes, absolutely correct. Very good, Vrishti. Yes, Imam, good. Okay, so correct answer is D, not A. Okay, it has nothing to do with insulin. Yes. Next question, try this one. And your time starts now. I hope everyone can see the question. Okay, try this question. Yes, very good, Farooq. Okay, good. So let's see. Hyperthyroidism. So hyperthyroidism will be matched with Graves' disease. It is because of more secretion of T3, T4. Deficiency of insulin will lead to diabetes mellitus. Low production of corticoids will lead to Addison's disease. and low production of ADH, just now we have discussed, is diabetes insipidus. Okay, so A is matched with 2, B is matched with 1, C is matched with 4 and D is matched with 3. We got our answer. It should be B or 2. So it is not 3, it is B. Okay. Okay. So next question for you. Try this and your time starts now. तो किसी को कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं है, सब सी बोल रहे हैं. In which of the following animal the blood passes through the heart only once in each complete cycle? तो इस तरह के सर्कुलेशन को हम बोलते हैं सिंगल ब्लड सर्कुलेशन और just single circulation. Now this is seen in fishes. Okay, because they have two-chambered heart. Okay, so in this two-chambered heart, the blood will be pumped only once by the heart, and this type of heart is also termed as venous heart. इसे venous heart भी बोलते हैं हम. क्यों बोलते हैं venous heart? Because only deoxygenated blood is pumped through this two-chambered heart. Okay, so in case of fishes, this condition will be there. So definitely answer will be a fish, which is seahorse here, which is a bony fish. So answer is C. Clear? No confusion? Okay, perfect. Let's move on to, so answer is C. Now let's move on to the next question. Try this question. And your time starts now. Okay, try this one. So study the following statements and you need to find out the correct statement. So the first statement says lymph has the same mineral distribution as that in plasma. So this I told you earlier also, that if this is a blood capillary, right? Now water and soluble substances together with WBCs will be coming out and will be forming the interstitial fluid. Okay, and the same interstitial fluid will be entering inside the lymphatic capillaries and will be forming lymph. Okay, so imagine this is a lymphatic capillary. Okay, plasma proteins, remember that plasma proteins will not be coming out. Okay, water soluble substances, WBCs will be coming in the interstitial fluid and that will be forming the lymph, right? So lymph, so that is right. Mineral distribution, they are talking about mineral distribution, that will be same in plasma and the lymph and the interstitial fluid, that is right. Lymph is an important carrier for nutrient and hormones, absolutely. Lymphatic system collect interstitial fluid and drain it back to the major arteries. Now this is wrong. It is drained in the major vein and not artery, right? Fats are absorbed through lymph in the lacteals present in the intestinal villi. Yes. So in our blood, the water composition is more. So glycerol and fatty acids or lipids that are absorbed from our intestine cannot be carried by our blood. So that's why it is carried by lymph. और lymph कौन से lymph में जाता है ये? In the lacteals. So lacteals are lymphatic capillaries in the intestinal villi, right? So that is also true. So correct statement कौन से हैं? A, B and D are correct. That means C. Crystal clear? Very good. Keep it up. So let's move on to our next question. And your time starts now. Question from evolution. So can you see how we are juggling between the chapters? Grade 11th का chapter है, फिर 12th का chapter है, फिर 2 question यहाँ से, 3 question यहाँ से. So similar type of questions will be coming in NEET examination. और NEET 2025 में तो you guys will be juggling between even zoology and botany. So start practicing like that only. Okay, now it is not the time to go chapter wise और chapter wise question solve करना है, नहीं. अब आपको सारे चैप्टर्स को कंबाइन करके ही क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना है. इनफैक्ट बॉटनी एंड zoology भी अगर आप कंबाइन कर सको दैट विल बी परफेक्ट. ओके, नाउ कमिंग टू द क्वेश्चन, which of the following is not a result of convergent evolution? Okay, so convergent evolution coincides with analogous organs, different structure, same function. तो चलो देखते हैं. Flippers of penguin and of dolphin. So penguins तो bird है, dolphin mammal है, दोनों के flippers का structure different है but काम same है, it helps in swimming. तो ये तो है convergent evolution का example. Potato and sweet potato. Potato तो modified stem है, sweet potato modified root है, but दोनों ही करते हैं storage. So again this is an example of convergent evolution. Forelimbs of whales and bats. Whales and bat दोनों ही mammal है. That means the structure of their forelimb is same but the function is different. तो ये किसका example हो गया? Homologous organ का example हो गया. ये हो गया divergent evolution का example. So this is an example of divergent evolution. Am I correct? Isn't it? तो ये है हमारा आंसर. Now eyes of octopus and of mammals. Octopus and mammals दोनों का आई का स्ट्रक्चर डिफरेंट है बट काम सेम है, दैट इज विजन, राइट? तो ये भी डाइवर्जेंट एवोल्यूशन का एग्जाम्पल है. यस, ये भी कन्वर्जेंट एवोल्यूशन का एग्जाम्पल है. डिफरेंट स्ट्रक्चर सेम फंक्शन, विजन. ओके, तो आंसर शुड बी सी. ओके, आंसर इज सी. वेरी गुड, कीप इट अप. So Akmal, it is not D, it is C. I hope now you guys have understood. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे आते हैं एंड योर टाइम स्टार्ट्स नाउ. सो ये वाला क्वेश्चन ट्राई करो. यस, सुमंत राज, शेख फारूक, वृष्टि, उल्लास, अभिषेक. द असेंशियल प्री रिक्विजिट ऑफ स्पीसिएशन इज. तो याद करो स्पीशीज का डेफिनेशन हम क्या बोलते हैं? दैट इंडिविजुअल्स हु कैन इंटरब्रीड अमंग देमसेल्व्स आर द स्पीशी आर द इंडिविजुअल्स ऑफ द सेम स्पीशीज, है ना? तो जो सेम स्पीशी के ऑर्गेनिजम्स होंगे वो आपस में रिप्रोड्यूस कर पाएंगे. तो सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट क्राइटेरिया क्या होगा? रिप्रोडक्टिव आइसोलेशन. ओके, सो इफ इंडिविजुअल्स कैन रिप्रोड्यूस अमंग देमसेल्व्स देन वी कैन से दैट दे बिलोंग टू द सेम स्पीशीज, राइट? सो इसलिए करेक्ट आंसर बी होगा. प्लीज राइट इट डाउन एंड नॉट डी और एनीथिंग. लिख लो इसको, जिसने भी मिस्टेक किया है ना यहाँ पे लिखना है. ओके, next question and your time starts now. So again this is a question from evolution. Pay attention to the analogous organ. Analogous organ are the structures that are developed along different direction due to adaptation to different need. Now what are analogous organs? Analogous organs are different structure but same function. Right? So analogous organ are the structures that are developed along different direction and yeah adapted to the different needs. जैसे जैसे requirement है वैसे वो adapt होगा और वैसे उनका function हो जाएगा. जैसे हमने एक example देखा the forelimb of whale and bat. So whale and bat दोनों mammal है, दोनों के forelimb का structure same होगा, but whale will help whale का forelimb will help in swimming whereas the forelimb of bat will help in flying. तो ये किसका एग्जाम्पल हो गया? होमोलोगस का एग्जाम्पल हो गया. अब इसके ऑपोजिट अगर हम देखें आइज ऑफ ऑक्टोपस, ओके, आइज ऑफ ऑक्टोपस एंड आइज ऑफ मैमल्स, या अगर हम देखें विंग्स ऑफ बटरफ्लाई एंड विंग्स ऑफ बर्ड. तो अगर हम विंग्स ऑफ बटरफ्लाई का बात करें एंड विंग्स ऑफ बर्ड का बात करें, स्ट्रक्चर विल बी डिफरेंट बट फंक्शन इज सेम, दैट इज फ्लाइंग. सो दिस इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ एनालॉगस ऑर्गन. ओके, तो ये तो सही है. Okay. Now reason says analogous structures are result of convergent evolution. Convergent evolution and analogy की अगर हम बात करें, different structure same function, yes they go together. So this is also correct. Okay, so assertion is correct. Just a second. Assertion is false and reason is correct. इसका मतलब क्या है? Analogous structure are the structure that are developed along different direction due to adaptation to different need. Analogous में हमने क्या देखा? Different structure same function है, तो different needs नहीं है इनकी. So this is wrong. Okay, so that's why the correct answer should be D only. Assertion is false but reason is true. Okay, and we have seen the example also. Analogous organ का example क्या होगा? Wings of butterfly and wings of bird. Okay, eyes of mammal and eyes of octopus. So ये सारे analogous structure के example है. Homologous structure के example क्या होंगे? Forelimb of whale and bat, जिसमें different जिसमें same structure है और different function है. Got it? So it is D. Okay. Next question and your time starts now. Try this one. Now, which of the following is not an example of evolution by anthropogenic action? Anthropogenic action क्या है? Actions of man. Isn't it? तो antibiotic resistant bacteria बने हैं हमारे वजह से when we have discovered antibiotics. When we have used a lot of herbicides, the weeds became herbicide resistant. Melanized moth. So because of industrial melanism, what happened? The number of moth with light colored wing were more initially before industrialization, but after industrialization when soot deposited on the trees, what happened? The dark color moth were able to protect themselves from the predator because of the camouflaging. डार्क कलर मॉथ नहीं दिख रहे थे प्रीडेटर को, तो उनका नंबर बढ़ने लग गया आफ्टर इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन. तो ये इंडस्ट्रियल मेलेनिज्म भी हमारे वजह से है, एंथ्रोपोजेनिक एक्शन के वजह से है. डार्विन फिंचेस, इसमें हमारा कोई रोल नहीं है, सो आंसर शुड बी डी. ओके, एनी कंफ्यूजन हियर? आई होप दिस इज क्लियर. आंसर इज डी. नेक्स्ट, ट्राई दिस नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन एंड योर टाइम स्टार्ट्स नाउ. The type of natural selection in which more individual acquires mean character value is. So if the number of individuals with mean character value is increasing, that type of selection is stabilizing selection. So there are three types of natural selection, right? One is stabilizing selection, where the mean value is selected by nature and the individuals with mean characteristic value increases. दूसरा होता है डायरेक्शनल सिलेक्शन, जिसमें वन ऑफ द एक्सट्रीम कैरेक्टरिस्टिक वैल्यू विल बी सिलेक्टेड बाय नेचर. या तो बहुत ज़्यादा हाइट के इंडिविजुअल्स को सिलेक्ट करेगा नेचर, या ऐसे काउ को जो बहुत ज़्यादा मिल्क प्रोडक्शन कर रही है, डेफिनेटली वी आर आर्टिफिशियली सिलेक्टिंग them only. So this type of selection will be directional selection. Now next is disruptive selection, is if nature is selecting individuals with both the extreme characteristics. अगर दोनों को ही select कर रहे हैं then only it will be disruptive selection, जहाँ पे आपको मिलता है दो peaks. Okay, so here the answer was A. Okay. Next question, try this, a very important question from the table mentioned in NCERT of convergent evolution or parallel evolution. So direct question hai, please try this and your time starts now. So here you need to identify A, B and C. Anteater will not be mole, will not be tiger cat, it is definitely numbat. Yes. So anteater placental mammal will be like numbat, Australian marsupial. Now coming to spotted cuscus. Okay, so placental mammal में क्या होगा, lemur, और Australian marsupial में क्या होगा, spotted cuscus. Okay, and not the sugar glider. Similarly, flying squirrel in placental mammal and Australian marsupial में क्या होगा, flying phalanger. So answer is B. ठीक है, so it's a direct question. Answer is B. सभी ने सही जवाब दिया है. So it is B. Very good. Sumant Raj, Vishal, Abhishek, Ullas. Very good. Next question. So let's discuss this question. Identify the set of phyla that exhibit organ system level of organization. So remember, अगर हम पॉरीफेरा की बात करते हैं तो पॉरीफेरा में होता है सेल्यूलर लेवल ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, नाइडेरिया एंड टिनोफोरा में होता है टिश्यू लेवल ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, प्लेटीहेल्मिन्थ्स में होता है बच्चों ऑर्गन लेवल ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, और उसके बाद एस्केल्मिन्थ से लेके कॉर्डेटा तक होता है ऑर्गन सिस्टम लेवल ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. तो यहाँ पर एनालिडा, आर्थ्रोपोडा, मोलस्का में होगा ऑर्गन सिस्टम लेवल ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, नाइडेरिया में टिश्यू लेवल, पॉरीफेरा में सेल्यूलर, टिनोफोरा में टिश्यू लेवल. सो आंसर इज ए. ओके ओके, नाउ ट्राई दिस क्वेश्चन, ट्राई दिस वन. Let's discuss. Select the correct statement about sponges. Sponges से related correct statement यहाँ पर हमको बताना है. ठीक है. Coenocytes line the spongocoelon canal. तो पहले तो याद करो कि what special cells are there in porifera. कौन से special cells होते हैं? Collar cells, also termed as coenocytes. So that is true. Fertilization is internal and development is indirect. This is also true. So larval stage is there in case of porifera. Fertilization is internal only. Okay, and larvas are motile. So this is right. They exhibit cellular level of organization as cells in them are arranged as loose cell aggregates. बिल्कुल सही. They exhibit cellular level of organization. Yeah, mostly asymmetrical. Correct. All are asymmetrical. This is wrong. This is wrong because not all are asymmetrical, mostly they are asymmetrical. ज़्यादातर poriferas asymmetrical होते हैं, सारे नहीं होते हैं, कुछ radially symmetrical भी होते हैं. Okay, so this is wrong. So A, B, C will be correct and D will be incorrect. That's why the correct answer is A. Yes, absolutely. Sumant, Numan, Shreya, hello, hello. Now I hope the answer is clear. So it is A. Try this one and your time starts now. Answer this question. Okay, Vishal. Sumant, Ullas, okay. Statement 1 says, Aurelia is a sessile and cylindrical polyp form. तो Aurelia बच्चों कौन होता है? Aurelia is jellyfish. Okay, jellyfish क्या है? It's medusa. It's medusa and not polyp. Okay, so this is wrong. Adamsia is sea anemone. Okay, it is sea anemone and sea anemone is polyp and not medusa. So correct answer will be, both are incorrect, that means D. Okay, so yes Numan, it was D. Very good. Abhishek, Ullas, everyone. So it is D. Next question, try this and your time starts now. Try this one. Assertion and reason question है ये. Osmoregulation and excretion in platyhelminths is performed by special cells called flame cells. So when we talk about platyhelminths या flatworms, they have protonephridia or flame cells. For osmoregulation and excretion, this is correct. Platyhelminths are mostly endoparasite. Mostly endoparasite लिखा है, that means this is also correct. But again, both the statements are not related, so answer should be B. Both are correct, but not the correct explanation of assertion. Now, अगर mostly endoparasite है, so can you name a free living flatworm platyhelminth? कोई free living platyhelminth का नाम बताएगा? Remember, and only the endoparasitic forms will be having hooks and suckers. तो उस free living platyhelminth में hooks and suckers नहीं होंगे. Very popular platyhelminths, Fasciola hepatica, no, that is liver fluke और वो भी endoparasite है. Try something else. Some more examples if you can try. Hammerhead worm. So let's go in a simple manner. जो सबसे common है planaria. So please write it down that planaria, जिसे हम बोलते हैं Dugacia, planaria or Dugacia. So that is free living. Okay, जिसमें होता है immense power of regeneration also and it will not have hooks and suckers. तो यहाँ पर hooks and suckers नहीं होते, याद रखना. ठीक है? Okay, so answer here was B. Absolutely, very good. Next question. Try this one and your time starts now. तो कुछ बहुत अच्छे questions हम कर रहे हैं from animal kingdom as well, and here you need to match the scientific name with the common name. So try करो. 15 seconds left. चलो Pinctada is pearl oyster. Loligo squids. Chetoplura chitin. Dentalium elephant tusk shell. इसका shell एकदम elephant के tusk के जैसे होता है. That's why we are calling it as tusk shell. And Aplysia is sea hair. So A is matched with 3, B is matched with 4, C is matched with 1. So there is a tie between first and the third option. Dentalium D is matched with 5. So ये है tie breaker and the correct answer is 1. That is A. Very good. Keep it up. Next question. Try this and your time starts now. Question from biotechnology. So which of the following combination of plants were successfully cultured from meristems? Those who don't have seeds. Very simple. So banana, sugarcane, potato should be the answer. The answer should be C. Yes. So बाकी सब में तो seeds होंगे. Right? So it will be banana, sugarcane and potato. Okay. Next question and your time starts now. Now be careful with this question. This is from the line of NCERT. Okay, try this one. Everyone, please try this question. Okay. So Green Revolution succeeded in tripling the food supply, but yet it was not enough to feed the growing human population. Increased yield have been mainly due to the use of. So if you read the lines of this chapter, Applications of Biotechnology, तो वहाँ पे आपको पता चलेगा कि लिखा है कि increased yield have been mainly due to the use of better management practices and agrochemicals, that is fertilizers and pesticides. Improved crop varieties का इतना ज़्यादा रोल नहीं था. So answer should be B and C. Okay, that means B. Yes, Mahesh, everyone. Now I want everyone to pay attention here क्योंकि ये कुछ सीधा सा क्वेश्चन लग रहा है बट ये इतना सीधा क्वेश्चन नहीं है. लाइन्स ऑफ एनसीईआरटी में लिखा है कि इंक्रीज यील्ड हैव बीन मेनली बिकॉज ऑफ दीज टू ओनली. ओके, सो दैट्स वाई बी एंड सी विल बी करेक्ट. तो यहाँ पर सभी ने या तो सी लिखा है या वेरी गुड सुमंत राज, या पार्टली ड्यू टू इम्प्रूव्ड क्रॉप वैरायटी. यस, वेरी गुड. ए नहीं है, डी नहीं है, सो इट इज़ बी एवरीवन. ठीक है, एंड प्लीज चेक फ्रॉम एनसीईआरटी. राइट, चलो. So that's why I bought this question. Now can you try this one? Match the following column and your time starts now. So when we talk about BT cotton, so class of insect means a class of insect and order of insect is also important, and these three are mentioned in NCERT. तो इसलिए अब आप मैच करो और मुझे बताओ करेक्ट आंसर क्या होगा. गुड क्वेश्चन. यस, थैंक यू नुमान. So it is also a straightforward question from NCERT itself. यहाँ पर Lepidopterans is tobacco budworm and armyworm. Coleopterans include beetles. Dipterans include flies and mosquitoes. ठीक है, तो yes you are right. दो classes and order हम लोग नहीं पढ़ते हैं in animal kingdom in arthropoda, but these orders you need to remember. Okay, तो ये order आपको याद रखना है. Correct answer is 1. Good, keep it up. Okay. Okay, so correct answer is A. Now try this question and your time starts now. It is a perfect assertion and reason question. So assertion says pneumonia patient experience severe problem with respiration. Yes. Alveoli of an infected person get filled with fluid. Yes. Both are correct and even the correct explanation of assertion. So answer is A. Pneumonia is a bacterial infection leading to accumulation of fluid in the alveoli. Very good. Keep it up. Try this one. Yes, Sanjeev, Abhishek, Bishal, Mahesh, Ullas, Sumantaraj, Diya. Very good, very good. Try this one. Read the following and choose the option with correct statements. Chikungunya and dengue are spread through Aedes mosquito bites. Yes, this is right. डेंगू कैन लीड टू थ्रोम्बोसाइटोपिनिया एंड हेमोरेज. तो बच्चा थ्रोम्बोसाइटोपिनिया क्या है? डिक्रीज इन प्लेटलेट काउंट, तो ये भी सही है. चिकनगुनिया कॉजेज सीवियर जॉइंट पेन एंड मायल्जिया. यस, जॉइंट पेन एंड मायल्जिया का मतलब है मसल पेन. दिस इज राइट. डेंगू इज अ वायरल डिजीज, चिकनगुनिया बैक्टीरियल. नो, दोनों ही वायरल है. राइट. एंड फीवर एंड रैशेज अपीयर ओनली इन चिकनगुनिया एंड नॉट इन डेंगू. नो, फीवर तो दोनों में आता है, रैशेज भी आते हैं. Correct will be only A, B and C. That means A. Perfect. Very good. So इस तरह के questions आपको NEET में आ सकते हैं related to chikungunya and dengue. Remember this. Okay. So correct answer is A. Okay. Try this and your time starts now. Next question for you all. Read the following statement and choose the correct set related to amoebiasis. It spread through contaminated food and water. Yes. Disease caused by protozoan parasite of small intestine. This is wrong. So it is a parasite of large intestine, that is colon. So this is wrong. Housefly act as mechanical carriers. Yes. And stool with excess mucus and blood clots. Yes. So correct statement हमें बताना था. A, C, D will be correct. That means B. Okay, B everyone. Good, good, good. Keep it up. Okay. So that's it. With this we have completed the full syllabus questions of today's session. Make sure those who have joined late or have not gone through all the questions, PDF के लिए join करिए हमारा Telegram channel. Okay, and the link of the Telegram channel you will get in the description box. Like कर दो session को, subscribe कर दो channel को अगर आपने अभी तक नहीं किया है तो Telegram channel join करना है और share कर दो session को with your friends. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you very much. हम मिलेंगे फिर से नए सेशन में. मेक श्योर दैट यू कीप ऑन प्रैक्टिसिंग मोर एंड मोर क्वेश्चंस. सो बाय बाय, टेक केयर एवरीवन, सी यू.